So guys, moving on to the fifth question, says it costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylindrical vessel. Means the vessel is in the shape of a cylinder I have drawn and whose height is given, height is 10 meter. इसका मतलब क्या है? क्वेश्चन का मतलब कि हमारे पास कोई वेसल है, लाइक दिस इज़ द वेसल, हम उसको अंदर से पेंट कर रहे हैं, बट अंदर से भी सिर्फ जो कर्व्ड सरफेस है उसको पेंट कर रहे हैं, जो मैंने पेन से आपको बताया है, और उसको पेंट करने की कॉस्ट दे रखी है ₹2200 एंड इफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग इज़ एट द रेट ऑफ, एट व्हाट रेट, मतलब अगर हम 1 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया को पेंट करते हैं तो इट कॉस्ट ₹20. Then we need to find what is the inner curved surface area of the vessel, radius of base and capacity of the vessel, means we need to find the volume in third part. So we'll assume the radius in the second part first. Now since height is given, which is 10 meter, and we are also given with the cost of painting. In fact, the total cost of painting the inner curved surface area is given to us, which is ₹2200, and also the cost of painting 1 meter square of area is given to us, which is ₹20. I have written those. मतलब अंदर का इनर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया अगर हम 1 मीटर स्क्वायर पेंट करते हैं तो ₹20 लेते हैं. एंड सिंस वी नो दैट इफ़ वी मल्टीप्लाई द एरिया जिसको हम पेंट कर रहे हैं या कुछ कवर कर रहे हैं, उस एरिया को अगर हम कॉस्ट पर मीटर स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, देन विल गेट द टोटल कॉस्ट. आई हैव रिटन दैट total cost we have and cost per meter square we also have, and here the area is inner curved surface area. Why? Because we are painting the inner curved surface. So CS equals total cost upon my cost of per meter square. Now we'll substitute the values. We are having the values. 10 will cancel out, and on cutting we'll get the curved surface area as 110 meters square. 5 meters square because the unit is given. In second part we need to find the radius of base. We are having the formula for curved surface area. We are also having the value for curved surface area, and we'll assume the radius. We're also having height. So we will equate the formula and the value of curved surface area we have find, and we'll get the value. Since curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH, I am giving the equations. So equation 1 equals equation 2, now which gives 2 pi RH equals 110. Now we'll substitute the values. 2 multiply 22 by 7 is the value of pi, R is R, and height is given, which is 10 meter, equals 110. 0 will cancel out. Now to find R we have to shift other terms to other side. So we'll get R equals 11 multiply 7 by 2 multiply 22. 11 2s is 22. Solving rest of the terms, we'll get radius equals 7 by 4 equals 1.75 meter. We are also having the height, and we have find the value of radius. Third part, it is asking about the capacity of the vessel, means we need to find the volume, and we know the volume of cylindrical vessels formula, pi r square h. Now we'll substitute the values of r, h and pi. We'll replace those points. We'll solve and we'll get the volume as 385.0 meter cube. At last we'll write inner curved surface area 110 meter square, radius 1.75 and volume 385.0 meter cube.